It's about to get hot in here. We've got two new chefs who can't wait to compete. Chef Franklin Becker.
Guy, I'm coming.
Chef Allison Fasano.
Italian, I feel like I'm at home. Perfect.
You also have to defeat our champion, the guy that's on fire, our reigning champ. Give it up for Chef Gustavo Romero. 2 rounds in this food fight. The last chef standing will earn a paycheck up to $20,000 and have an opportunity to return and hopefully win more money. But there's also my special decree that must be followed today. This is Flavortown's first record heat day. In both rounds, you must use spicy ingredients to make dishes that really bring the heat. In the table in front of you, each one of you has a pile of 5 chilies. You're gonna have 30 seconds to organize those chilies left to right in order of hot to hottest. We all know the Scoville scale, right?
Yep.
The first chef to finish with the most correct answers in order is going to win control of Flavortown and pick the first kitchen.
Great.
Oh boy.
3, 2, 1. Okay. So the correct order was apple pepper, habanero pepper, ghost pepper, scorpion pepper, and finally, the Carolina Reaper. Hey, champ, you're back to controlling Flavortown again. The question is, which joint are you most likely to beat the competition in a spicy dish contest?
On Guidos.
You want to go to Guido's? Well, chefs, we are living extra large here at Guido's Pizzeria. Here's our head waiter, Hunter, to tell us about what's on the menu.
For today's dish, we have an Italian classic, a meatless supreme pizza. We have an overabundance of vegetables, but the meat we're out of stock on right now.
I mean, a lot of supreme pizzas.
Right.
You get like the linguiça, you get
Right.
pepperoni,
Italian
you get
sausage.
some sausage. But this, you get nothing.
There's no meats to be used. How do I make it supreme?
What do they get?
This meatless supreme pizza will be featuring canned sweet potato.
What Italian restaurant, pizzeria, has canned sweet potato? Did you get a deal on this?
That's correct.
I'm sorry. It is heat day in Flavortown, so give the judges some serious heat. 5-star gets $5,000 towards their paycheck and control of Flavortown for the next kitchen cook. 4-star makes $4,000 go to the paycheck, and 3-star, unfortunately, your shift will be over. Judges,
Hi.
how are you?
Thanks
Have
for
a
having
seat.
us. Thank you.
How are you incorporating the sweet potato?
I'm actually going to add the sweet potatoes with some ricotta, especially if we're doing something spicy. It could handle a nice cooled component.
Oh, very smart.
And then I added some chilies to it, so kind of balance it out so it's not overwhelmingly sweet. She's spicy, I'm sweating.
All right, chefs, we'll let you keep cooking, and I can't wait to try your food.
Come on, chef, you have 15 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're done. Chef Allison, you're up first.
Hello, how are you doing?
Chef.
How are you?
Good. Lucky for me, I come from the pizza capital of the world, which is Brooklyn. So my favorite Italian sauce is actually a puttanesca. Of course, I made it spicy. There's Calabrian chilies in there. For the canned sweet potatoes, I mixed it with some ricotta and burrata. I added the Calabrian chilies, some fresh radicchio over the top. Sorry, it's spicy.
I like it spicy.
Okay, chef.
The heat is there 100%. The undercarriage is looking right, nice and crispy. I think the smartest thing you did here is take those canned sweet potatoes and mix it with the burrata and the ricotta to make this almost like really decadent topping to this.
All my tongue is on fire in the good way. The puttanesca is there.
Hello, chefs.
Hello, how are you?
Thank you, chef.
So, what I made today for you is a supreme pizza, vegetarian. I used the sweet potato and the sauce, the broccoli, cauliflower, onions, peppers, and mushrooms. For the spice, I used some chili crisps to season all the vegetables.
This tastes like a supreme pizza. Now the dough, I think that's where we're running into issues.
No, it's half baked a little.
Okay.
Hey, chef.
Chef,
Buongiorno. I actually worked in southern Italy when I was younger, so we used the sweet potato as a sauce and then roasted various vegetables. I brought heat in Calabrian chilies, a little bit of fresh chili.
It's a fantastic cookery on the crust. I mean, your pie's got integrity, which is great.
no flop,
Yeah.
no flop.
Good.
Congratulations, Chef Allison.
Oh my God.
Well done. Well done.
Oh my God.
Wow, congratulations.
Why are you so shocked?
I don't know. I mean, I'm with two extremely talented chefs, and pizza, I've made it a million times before, so it means a lot to me.
It's near and dear.
Yeah.
So, the chef will be ending their shift, is going to be, unfortunately, Chef Gustavo.
I do love some sandwiches, so that's where we're going, into the sandwich cart.
All right.
Chef, welcome to our food cart corner. And today they're all serving up their signature spicy sandwich. With these food carts, they provide you an opportunity to add some more money to your paycheck by using our 3 upsell items in your dish. We have fruit cereal, that'll get you an extra $2,000, cauliflower, an extra $3,000, and Carolina Reapers for an extra $5,000.
Carolina Reaper is this way next level.
Are you fans of Carolina Reaper?
It is so hot, it'll wake you right up.
Big money on the table. Okay, what's on the menu?
I'm making a Monte Cristo inspired sandwich, which I do love making. It's sweet, it's savory.
A spicy Monte Cristo.
I'm adding a little bit of cayenne into my egg mixture over here. So the bread's spicy, but I'm also going to make a spicy aioli.
No Carolina Reaper, though.
No, definitely not. I think that's too spicy.
Okay, well, good luck to you, Chef.
Thanks, Chef.
22 minutes. Chef, what's on the menu? What are you thinking?
I am doing a steak sandwich. I'm using a ribeye, and I've got it on the flat top already.
All right.
And I'm actually going to use all 3 ingredients.
Really?
Yeah.
Where are you going to put this cereal at?
I'm gonna make a sauce. I'm gonna use cauliflower 2 different ways.
Sounds like a daunting menu.
Yeah, you know what? We'll see how much gets on the plate.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're done. Sandwich battle's over.
Hello. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I do love making a breakfast sandwich. It's a Monte Cristo. It's savory, it's sweet. Munster cheese, tomato, some crispy bacon, and a Calabrian chili aioli on the sandwich. And when I made the dredge, I added a little bit of cayenne to it. And the cauliflower I just wanted to do raw. I think it adds such great texture.
Amazing. Loved your unique take on a Monte Cristo. Love the bacon in it. The bacon's well cooked. I like the amount of bacon put into it.
And I can appreciate also the evenness on the outside of the sandwich breads. This is like perfect browning.
I'm a fan of it. Wow, we like tableside service too with the...
Yeah, you know what? What we have here is a steak sandwich, and I decided to use all the ingredients. So I made a cauliflower aioli with the Reaper chili and the fruit cereal, pickled the cauliflower. So you pretty much got every upsell in there.
Wow.
Really swung for those fences.
You're a gambling man. Right up my alley.
He said he
let's
was a
go
gambling
Let's go to
man.
casino.
I want to go.
I will say, this is one of the weirdest things I've ever eaten, but really, really good. You're using great steak. You have a nice toasted bun, but I keep going back to this potato chip with the fruit cereal dust on top. They're delicious.
Congratulations, Chef Franklin.
Yeah!
Well done. Chef Allison, you did a lot of things that were really smart and really on point. Nonetheless, this is not your night, but you know what? It's been an honor and a pleasure to have you. So, Chef Franklin, with $19,000, the new reigning champ of Flavortown, what are you gonna do with the money?
Let's go into Autism Speaks. My eldest son is autistic. We've got to raise more awareness for autism in this world. We've got to do a lot more.